y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and this morning I'm going to share with you two products that I use almost every day to get better night's sleep and have better mornings. Right now it's back to school time, and for so many of you that means creating a routine again. You've been out for the summer, you're trying to get to bed on time, have a good routine, get up, be happy, be raring to go early in the morning, and you're getting up maybe earlier than usual, or maybe your kids are a little cranky. Well, I'm going to tell you what we use to combat all of those issues. The first thing I use is Serenity. This is included in the flash sale that's currently happening at doTERRA. That will be good through this Friday. Serenity is amazing. I put it in Sunshine's bath water at night. It smells great. I love having it in our diffuser. I usually put this in the diffuser at nighttime, and it puts her to sleep like a baby. It's wonderful for me as well when I'm giving her a bath. It's not a stressful time for us. It used to be prior to using this, but now we're both calm and relaxed, and we just handle business and go to bed happy. And we rest all night. It's amazing. But what would restful nights be without positive, happy mornings? A lot of mornings we wake up from a dead sleep and we just sleep so good at night, but in the mornings we are a little slow to get going. You know what I mean? So for that, we use Motivate. This is in a touch roller, which is diluted, so you don't have to worry about sensitive skin. You can roll this right on. It smells kind of minty and citrusy with a hint of vanilla. It's really great for getting your senses pumping, getting your brain working, and motivating you to start your day. To apply Motivate, you rub it on your pulse points, your wrists, you just snip it, and it creates this motivating effect that will help you to have better mornings, be more productive in the mornings, and not feel like you're just stressed and, oh, I can't do anything today, I don't want to be up today. You're going to sniff this and you're going to want to get up, you're going to want to get going, and you're going to want to make the most out of your day. So if you have struggles with any of these things, these two products are 25% off at doTERRA this week. So that's only through Friday. I wanted to share this with you guys because these are two products we use very regularly, and I don't want you guys to miss out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If I can help you guys choose some oils that will help you in your home, maybe you're curious and you don't know where to start, there are some links in the description box that you can click on for more information, as well as a mini class that I have recorded just for you guys. So I'm going to point those out in the description box, as well as how to get these products in your home. You guys have an awesome day. I appreciate each of you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.